Right, welcome back everyone. It's Friday morning now, and I'm back at the job I was on yesterday with that ceiling repair to skim their lounge ceiling now and a couple of other bits. And what have I got to report this morning? Any exciting news? I've been to Wickes this morning, picked up another bag of finish. It's pretty exciting, isn't it, in itself? And some frog tape for around that fireplace. And also picked up a tarpaulin, something I don't often buy, to be honest, but they're quite good, aren't they? So I picked up a 3 metre by 4 metre tarpaulin just to lay on the floor. That's about as exciting as it got for me this morning. Let's hope something exciting happens when we're in there. Anyway, see you in there. Now this turned into a bit more of a job really. He wants a telly on the wall there, and he asked me about getting the power cable for the telly in there, so there's no gap there for a HDMI lead to come through. So I cut out a little channel there, and then I'm going to try and fish the wire down there down to the bottom, because it's been previously done by the previous owners. But I said to him, instead of running the TV power lead behind the wall, why don't we run an extension lead up the wall with like 4 sockets in the end of it, 3 or 4 sockets. That way you've only got that buried in the wall and not your TV bits. So this is what we decided to do, but it turned into a bit more than that. But before I start mucking about too much with that, let's get on with the job I was here for, and that is to skim this whole ceiling. got myself right involved here, didn't I? Now, that whole TV thing was just meant to be me feeding a wire down so he could pull his cables up. And it turned into that, what you saw. I've got to learn to keep my mouth shut sometimes. I don't mind helping out, but it was just, there wasn't enough time for me to finish that. Now I've chucked a load of drywall adhesive round everything so it's sitting. And I've got to go back at some point and finish that and skim around the edge now. So I've created another little job for myself, which I really haven't got time for. So it's hard, you know, like when you're, like, I'm not blowing my own trumpet, but I'm a helpful person. And when you're a helpful person, it's hard to watch someone else potentially struggle when you think, well, I'm here now, let me just do it. Because he was going to get an electrician in for that. And I thought, well, he's probably going to end up paying another, like, I don't know, what, 300 quid to get an electrician around for the day just to do that. And the electrician, all he's going to do, the electrician, is chop all that wall out and make a mess, and I'm going to have to probably go back there and patch it in, because obviously I'm his plasterer. So I thought, you know what, while I'm here, I might as well just do it. And then a lot of that wall crumbled away because the previous people had run some conduit up there for something. And as I'm cutting out the channel, I've tapped into their repair, and then their repairs all crumbled out, so I ended up opening the wall right up in the end. So that was that. That was not a planned thing. So here I turned into Mr. TV installation man there. Anyway, that's the end of that. So next time someone asks you just to pull the wire down the wall so they can tie their cable to it and pull it up, look them straight in the eye and go, ta-la, mate. Anyway, that's the end of that. I'll probably put this video out Saturday because it's 5:10 on a Friday now and I've got something else to do tonight, so I doubt very much I'm going to have time to start editing this now. So I'll probably put it out Saturday if I get time for that even. I've got something to do Saturday as well, but it's not work. Doing a little bit of voluntary stuff. I'll tell you all about it another time. Anyway, take care everybody, and I'll see you probably Monday. Have a good weekend.